Welcome to Spoken Hindi course by G Master of Manappare. Now I commence the very first lesson in Spoken Hindi. My. Please note the pronunciation, because if it is transliterated in English, it will be read as main or main. But my means I. For first person plural, hum. H-U-M, hum. Hum means we. Unlike English, in Hindi, the second person is classified as three stages. Number one, for the equals or for the menials, we used to say tu. It can be translated as T-H-O-O. And the second part of the second person is tum. Tum. T-H-U-M. Tum. It is used generally. And the third one is for the respectable people, elders, authorities, superiors. We use aap. A-A-P. Aap. I repeat. Tu, tum, aap. These are the three words used for second person. Now I come to the third person. Yah. That H in yah must not be pronounced fully. Yeah. Yeah means he, she, or it. For the things or the persons nearby. Wah is for the persons and things far away. These are the singular third person wordings. For plural, ye, and ve. Here is singular, ve is plural. Vah, ve, ya, ye. These are the four words for third person. I once again tell you the persons. My, I, tu, tum, आप, you, यह, वह, ये, वे. This is for third person. Now, to point out ourselves, my will have the verb of existence who, H-O-O within bracket N, who. For example, my Mohan who, I am Mohan. मैं लड़का हूं, I am a boy. मैं कमला हूं, I am कमला. मैं लड़की हूं, I am a girl. For first person plural, हम, H-U-M, हम. Hum means we. For this also, the ending verb will be hain. Please keep one thing in your mind. Hain will be the ending verb for all the plurals. हम लड़के हैं, we are boys. तू राजू है, it is है because some people will mispronounce it as hai. Hai is wrong. है, तू राजू है, you are Raju. Then तुम सुंदर हो, you are सुंदर. आप राघव हैं, you are Mr. Raghav. And then third person, यह रवि है, वह सीता है. For the living beings. For the non-living beings, यह किताब है, वह कलम है. यह किताब है means this is a book. वह कलम है means that is a pen. And in plural, ये लड़के हैं, these are the boys. Plural. Plural for the things. यह किताबें हैं, HAI bracket N, हैं. For both a and we, hein must be used. So, once again, I tell you, my must be ended with who, tu, hai, तुम हो, आप हैं. यह और वह है. प्लूरल ये and वे हैं. Please keep one thing in your mind. हैं will be the ending verb for all the plurals. हम लड़के हैं. We are boys. आप सेक्रेटरी हैं. ये किताबें हैं. वे लड़कियां हैं. For all the plurals, हैं. Therefore, who, है, who, हैं. These are the verb of existence in which no action takes place, but only the existence of the things is pointed out. This is the first lesson for the persons and the verbs to indicate them.